Hello, 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 student. I am VK Parab, retired science teacher. I was working in a Kuda High School Junior College. Now let us discuss about the modern periodic table. The present basis for classification of um, uh, element is the atomic number. Now, atomic number means the number which is equal to the number of proton and equal to the number of electron. Here, the Henry Moseley in 1930 give a great contribution about the modern periodic table. Here, the atomic number is the fundamental property of elements because atomic number determine the electronic configuration and electronic configuration determine the chemical properties. And he also told that the atomic number in a modern periodic table are arranged in their increasing order of their atomic numbers by one, whereas such a type of not occurred in a previous like a Mendeleev or others. Here, that type of drawbacks or defects drawn by or rectified in modern periodic table. First defects of a Mendeleev periodic table is that the isotopes of the same elements are having a same atomic number and they are arranged in a same group. And second one, all the atomic numbers are gradually increased by one, whereas the atomic mass number is not as doesn't act like this one. Third thing is that the lower atomic number, that is the cobalt, it's come first, and the nickel, which are having a higher atomic number later on. This type of defects are found in a Mendeleev periodic table, and that's why in modern periodic table is a rectified periodic table. Now let us learn about the electronic configuration. Electronic configuration means the shell-wise distribution of electrons. In previous year, we have learned the electronic configuration as a K shell, L shell, M shell, and L shell. These are the shell, and every shell have a subshell as like a SPDF, and that was the base for electronic configuration. Here, the electron is accommodated in a SPDF, or the name of that SPDF is according to their shape. Here, the first s orbital has a spherical shape, whereas the p orbital has a dumbbell shape and d has a four-lobe linear structure, whereas the f orbital has a complicated three-dimensional shape. Though according to their shape, they are also the number of electrons accommodated in a subcells are also equal one. In a s orbital 2 electron, p orbital 6 electron, d orbital 10 electron, whereas the f orbital 14, and that's why I say as a 1s2, 2s2, then 2p6, 3d10, and 4f14. In this way, electronic configuration, according to electronic configuration, all the elements are arranged in a modern periodic table. Now, Bohr's also calculated a formula to how many electrons are accommodated in each orbit, and that formula is the 2n square. And by using this formula, the K shell contains the 2 electron, L shell contains 8, then likewise the 18 and 32. Then modern periodic law. Modern periodic law is the periodic function of their atomic number. Now here I introduce the periodic. Periodicity means what? When the elements are arranged in an increasing order of their atomic number, their chemical properties comes after some intervals, means periodically, and that's why that property is called as a periodically. I give the one example of lithium, sodium, and potassium. Having a atomic number 3, then 11 and 19. These are the different atomic number, but the elements Li, Na, and K are come after Li. After 7 gaps of we get the sodium, then after 7 gaps of sodium, potassium, but they show the resemblance due to the periodicity.